My name is Aradhya Swami and I study in 3rd standard. I live in Pune and today I will tell you the story about Ganesha's birth. Once our story begins in the Himalaya regions, Mount Kailash. There lived Ganesha's mother Parvati and Ganesha's father Lord Shiv Shankar. So let's begin. One day Parvati was going for bathe. Then she asked Nandi, you stay guard outside until and unless I give permissions. Don't let anyone enter the palace, said Parvati. And then Nandi said, as you wish, my mother. Parvati went. Sometime later, Lord Shiv Shankar came. Then he said to Nandi, step out of the way, let me enter the palace, said Shiv Shankar. Then Nandi said, sorry, my lord, Mother Parvati has said, don't let anyone enter the palace until and unless I give permissions, said Mother Parvati. Then Lord Shiv Shankar said, Nandi, these rules are not for me. You know I am her wonderful husband, said Shiv Shankar. So now let me pass, said Shiv Shankar. And then Nandi let Shiv Shankar pass. Then when Shiv Shankar entered the palace, then Parvati got angry and she was also sad because of Nandi's disbehavior. Then Parvati said to Lord Shiv Shankar, forgive me, my lord, didn't Nandi stop you entering the palace, said Mother Parvati. Then Shiv Shankar said, what are you speaking, Parvati? You know I am your wonderful husband, said again Shiv Shankar. But I can't believe that Nandi disobeyed my orders, said Mother Parvati. And then Shiv Shankar went. Then when Shiv Shankar went, she said to herself, this is not right of Nandi. He should not disobey, but he was also correct. He loves his master. He can't let him stop entering his own home, said Parvati to herself. I need someone who is strong, brave and intelligent. That will be my son and I have to make this child, said Parvati to herself. Then she made her own child. After some time, Lord Ganesh was born. Then one day again, Parvati asked Ganesh, my child, you stay guard outside and don't let anyone enter the palace and until and unless I give permissions, said Mother Parvati. Then Ganesh said, okay, mother, as you wish, said Ganesh. And then Parvati went to bathe. Then after some time, again Lord Shiv Shankar came and said, step out of the way, child. And why are you not letting me enter the palace, said. Then Ganesh said, I can't let you enter the palace until and unless my mother gives me permissions, said Ganesh. But then Lord Shiv Shankar got very angry. Then he took his trishul and cut the neck of Ganesh. Then, hearing of the sound, all the gods and goddesses came. After some time, Parvati, knowing the bad noise, she came outside and then said angrily, nobody feels innocent for this small child. He was innocent. He was following my commands. Now, if you kill him, I shall also sacrifice my life, said Mother Parvati. Then Lord Brahma said, "There is nothing such as getting angry, Parvati. This child's head can be easily joined to another child's head." Hearing that good news, Parvati calmed down, and then Lord Brahma said to Lord Shiv Shankar, "Send your men quickly and bring a child, cut the child's head and bring it, and we will join that head to Bal Ganesh," said Lord Brahma. And then Lord Shiv Shankar agreed and sent his men to fight. Then they came in some time and they got an elephant's head. Then Lord Brahma said, "Lord Shiv Shankar, quickly join this head to this child." Then they joined the child's head, and then everyone got happy. Then Lord Parvati was very happy, and then everyone gave blessings and powerful shast, and that day our Lord Ganesh was born. Thank you, friends. Every year we celebrate these days as Ganpati's birth was happened. That's why I hope you may have the happiest Anand Chaturthi, and bye. Thank you.